Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Upasana Taneja. So today we have a question. What do we have here? We are given that a plus b is equal to this very big number, very large number, right? And they are saying that a and b both are natural numbers and we are supposed to find the value of this minus 1 raised to power a plus minus 1 raised to power b. So if I know that a is even or odd, if a is even, I will say minus 1 raised to power even will be equal to plus 1. And if I know b is even or odd, suppose even, then it will be plus 1. And the value of this will be equal to 2. But the question is, how would I find a and b? Whether they are positive or negative, right? Whether they are even or odd. But they are telling us that a and b belongs to natural number. So that means a and b are positive numbers, right? So this thing is clear that a and b are positive. So let us start the solution. For solution, I will tell you some results. If you have an even number, suppose you have 2 or 4 or 8, any even number, and you do power, if you find power of even number, any natural number can be the power, right? Like 2 raised to power can be anything. If 2 is even, we know that result will be even. Okay, this is very important result, that even raised to power any natural number will be even only. Similarly, odd number raised to power any natural number will be odd. Okay, so and after these two things, a number can be even or odd. Even powers give even, odd powers give odd, right? Now if you see here, you are adding numbers, right? So when you add two even numbers, you will always get even number, okay? And when you add two odd numbers, then as well you will get even number. But when you add one even and one odd number, that will be equal to odd numbers. Okay, so this, if you know these things, these results, the question will become very, very simple for you. How? Now look at your question. You have a plus b is equal to, okay, so this 2 raised to power something will be even or odd? Even, right? Because you know what, practically if you have these large powers, it is very difficult to solve this question. Then you will have to find some rules or relate it to something, so that you don't need to calculate it, you just need to observe it and find the solution, right? So this will be even, plus 3 raised to power 2026 will be equal to odd, right? Plus 7 raised to power 2028, that will be equal to odd. Because when the base is odd, whatever is the power, answer is odd. Minus 1 raised to power 2026, right? Okay, now let us see here. This is even plus odd is also even, minus 1 2026, right? Now even plus even is equal to even, right? Minus 1 is equal to 2026, right? Okay, now what is even minus 1? Even minus 1 or even plus 1 is always equal to odd number, right? So this is odd raised to power 2026. Then a plus b will be equal to an odd number. A plus b is what? Odd number. Okay, if a plus b is odd, that means sum of two positive numbers is odd. What is this case? This is the case when sum of two numbers is odd. That means case 1, that a is odd and b is even, and case 2, that a is even and b is odd, because either of them will have to be odd and even because the sum is odd, right? Okay, so if now we need to find minus 1 raised to power a plus minus 1 raised to power b. If you look at case 1, Okay, what is minus 1 raised to power odd number? Minus 1. Plus, what is minus 1 raised to power even number? Plus 1. Answer is 0. And if you look at case 2, what is minus 1 raised to power even number? You will say plus 1. Plus, what is minus 1 raised to power odd number? That is minus 1. What is 1 plus minus 1? 1 minus 1, 0. So in either case, the answer is what? 0. So when you have this question, the answer will be equal to 0. Okay. So I hope you understood this question. This was very simple. If you understood this, do subscribe to my channel, and you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook for more maths videos and for more riddles if you like riddles. Okay. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in next video.